Hey everyone. Through the first few videos we addressed a lot of the integrity issues on the body of the Trans Am, the floor, the rockers, and the lead seams. So next I'm going to address the integrity of the subframe. We started by separating subframe from the body and suspension. Now we can strip the subframe to bare metal and remove all the rust, grease, and old paint. I use a variety of methods here: wire brush, flap wheels, the rotor removal tool, abrasive blasting to get the job done. I settle on the flap wheel for the large part of the frame as it's pretty quick and has some ability to work broad corners. The wire brush and rotor removal tool are great for getting into pockets the flap wheels just can't reach. And everything is finished up for our blast out of the bucket kit. Then we wipe down everything with after weld panel prep as it cleans and etches the metal with phosphoric acid all in one step, which preps the surface for excellent adhesion of our black epoxy primer. This will seal the frame from corrosion while we continue to move through the process. From the factory, these have all sorts of seams and unsightly welds in a few areas. That, while not necessary, I wanted to address to make this thing flawless. I start by grinding and welding these seams along the upper control arm mounts. This improves the look and adds structure to the factory weld. Now I grind all along these lap joints to take any weld spatter, break the edges, and remove the high spots. Then another layer of epoxy primer and on to coating the seams with body filler. Once that's set up, I start by hand sanding with 80 through 320 grit, and then move on to a DA sander to hit everything and make sure it's nice and smooth, finishing with 320. I then apply one more coat of epoxy primer, let that dry, and move on to 2 coats of gloss chassis black. Now the subframe is looking fantastic, and I know it will hold up the years of abuse I have planned for it. Stay tuned for more updates on the Trans Am project, and for more info on the products and tools you've seen here, head over to Eastwood.com.